What's up, Wildcats? Chef Ryan Clark here from Casino del Sol with another recipe of the week from Soul Bowl's Tailgate Champion of the Week. So this week's recipe, we're going to be featuring chicken thighs. These are from Top Knot Farms at Heirloom Farmers Market. We're doing something fun. We're making a brine from the Fermented Tea Company. You can pick this up at the Heirloom Farmers Market as well. So what I did is I already pre-brined the chicken thighs. So I took the chicken thighs, basically I added the Fermented Tea Company. This is the prickly pear kombucha tea. I took that, a little bit of salt, a little bit of thyme and lemon and sugar, and I marinated the chicken thighs for about 3 days. So I've got those here. I'm gonna pull these out so you can see them. These are bone-in chicken thighs. You can see as I take them out, they got a little bit of the color from the tea. There's some thyme in there. You can add any herbs that you like. You can do parsley, tarragon. Cilantro would be good in this with the prickly pear. We have our thighs here, and next what we're gonna work on is the barbecue sauce. We're gonna start our kombucha barbecue sauce here. A little bit of oil in the pan. Kinda want this on sort of medium-high heat. So I've got start with the onions here. A little bit of onions, that sizzle going. Good amount of garlic in there. We're gonna let that sweat down a little bit, get translucent. Our onions have sweated a little bit. We're gonna add just a bit of salt, a little bit of pepper here. And I've got some spices. This is pickling spice, which I really like to use, and a little bit of brown sugar. So add that in. We're gonna do a touch of honey, just to get a little more sweetness. And then I've got the kombucha. Again, this is the prickly pear kombucha, Fermented Tea Company at the Heirloom Farmers Market. I'm gonna add all of this. This is gonna reduce down into a really nice glaze. And then just a tiny bit of ketchup. This helps give it a nice sheen, a little bit of sweetness. So we'll bring this down probably about 15-20 minutes, let it start to reduce. So we have our chicken thighs here. We're gonna open up the grill. Again, this is on kind of a medium-high heat. I like the spray oil. This is avocado oil again. Cover those nicely. Good amount of salt and pepper. There's some in the brine, but we want to season the outside really well. So let that go about 5 minutes. We're gonna close the grill. So these have been going about 5 minutes. We'll open up the grill. We're gonna give them a flip. The chicken thighs are almost done, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up the grill. We're just gonna start to lacquer the chicken thighs. We'll get a little bit of glaze, close the grill, open up a minute later, glaze them again, close the grill, and so on until we get a nice crust on the outside. One last time here. We're gonna take these off the grill. Nice and caramelized, cooked through. All right, just grab the barbecue sauce here. Just hit them with one last glaze. We'll finish this up. So I've got a little salad here. This is made with some quinoa. It's got some grilled corn, black beans, a little bit of red bell pepper, and oven-dried tomatoes. Makes a nice base for this. We'll layer on our chicken. And again, finish it with just a touch more of the glaze. And here we go. This is our finished dish for Casino del Sol's Soul Bowl Tailgate Champion of the Week. This is our top-knot chicken thigh cured in kombucha and finished with a kombucha barbecue sauce. And of course, we're always pairing up with Dragoon Brewing Company's beer. This is perfect with their IPA.